It's Alicia McVeigh here. So I wanted to jump on here and talk to you guys about showing up as an expert. And I know for some of you this is kind of scary and you wonder, how in the world am I ever going to show up as an expert, especially as a nurse and in my field? Well, it's really quite easy. And what I discovered, that the process that I had to go through, is that you know more than the average person out there. And you can show that expertise. Like when your friends and family found out that you were a nurse, they probably had tons of questions for you because now you are an expert, correct? So I just wanted to get on here and encourage you guys to be able to know that you are an expert. You are, as a nurse, you are an expert. It doesn't matter if you work in OB or med-surg or in a clinic setting or in urgent care. All of those areas are specialties. I know I've had other nurses who have said, well, I work in med-surg, that's not really a specialty. But it is, because in med-surg, you're going to be having patients who are coming to you that are really sick or that just had surgery, and you're going to be educating them. You're going to be educating them on their pain medication. You're going to be educating them on medications. You're going to be educating them on whatever is going on with them. That's your role as a nurse. And you're going to be supporting the doctor. Well, you can take that role and make it your own. You could end up starting a business being a med-surg expert and be able to help patients whenever they get home, just be able to give them advice. That's just one of the ideas. And so like if it's an OB, you can be, there's even a lady in here who's going to help out with newborns and be able to help out new moms who have babies that are born early. And I think that is absolutely amazing and neat because she's able to use her expertise in her field of her knowledge of what she knows. If you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know. Put them in the comments and I will answer them. All right, have a wonderful weekend, and it's Friday, so yay! Bye-bye.